So Waterton Lake is on my left side. It's a pretty big lake actually. Because we're already late, I need to install the tent. I'm not sure I'll show you today some more views, but for sure tomorrow I'll show you more things. There's a bunch of places need to visit. So I'm gonna buy here permit. I think so I need to buy permit. Let's see how much they want it. So daily adult $22, 109 Waterton annual adult family park and national park, and this 150 gun. Oh, they increased the price, man. I bought a permit. It's for 4 days, $22 per day. So I didn't buy the annual. Annual is $152, and I just paid $66 for 4 days. So it's really gonna be 4 days, man. It's gonna be fun. Okay, we're gonna put permit on our window. Look at this Waterton beautiful lake. Wow. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Very nice, very good. Beautiful place, man. It's a heaven on earth. Waterton Lake. It's still going along our way, man. Wow. We just got into Waterton Park. So I think so 5 years back, 6 years back, there was a wildfire. So they get into the town. On my left side is a very historical hotel. Its name is Charles Hotel. And the interesting thing is it's the same view in all of its four sides. Like wherever you're gonna see this hotel, you will see the same photo, like same kind of hotel on every side. It's very good. Right now we are a little bit late. I just wanted to check in first, and I need to install the tent. Campground Lake as well. I'll show you that one. That is between the middle of the mountain as well. It's cooler breeze here, guys. Wow. So here, that lake comes close to the town. You see that? Just edge on the road. People are doing the kayak, canoeing, and it seems like it's a cooler day here. That's why I brought the heater. Look at that. You see that all those trees on the mountain, they burn out. You see that? They all burn. So this is the town, guys. So here, all the lodges you can see. These are all lodges. And this on my left side, they just, I think so, built last year. Yeah. It's a brand new lodge. Wow, look at that. This is the town of Waterton, guys. Pretty big camping ground they have it. There's a bunch of blocks, I'll say, and every block has its own attributes. Like every block has a different kind of camping. So we are going where we can install our tent. You can park your medium-sized RV. Look at that mountain, man. Wow. Those bikes, you see there's you can rent the bikes here, guys. Check in area. So I'm just checking in, but unfortunately my other phone battery is already dead, so I might not gonna show you the check-in process. But I'm showing you this is their check-in office, right? Once I'm gonna get in, I'll show you my spot and I'll show you how I'm gonna install my tent. So guys, we got our spot. This is G33. It's a G block and the 33 number. And look, man, what a heaven on earth. On my back side, that is Waterton Lake. Look on those side hills, man. These mountains, man. Wow. Look at that side, that mountain. And this way is US, basically. So we thought we're gonna put our tent here in this spot. This is our electrical outlet, and then we have a one bench there, right? So we're gonna use that bench for our barbecues and other stuffs, right? So because my other phone is dead already, we have a very small battery in this phone. I might not gonna show you how I'm gonna install the tent, but when I am done, I'll show you how this looks like. Okay, so see you in a bit.
KB, what are you doing?
So I'm right now putting the tripod. It will kind of act as a moisturizer barrier for our tent. Even our tent is waterproof, but still this land is so moisture, so in the nights come up. So this will kind of act as a moisturizer barrier. So I'm installing first this, and then I'll put the tent on it.
So what's the next step?
So this is our tent. It's a brand new. I just opened.
So it's ready to install in tent.
It's called instant tent. So like just one guy needed to install it.
So what's now?
So our tent is ready right now. So I skew the poles. These tent pegs. It's also got tent stakes. So we have to skewer the pole first. Then I skewer these ropes on four sides. So this is all it is. This is like you can take it electrical outlet inside. So let's get inside here. So I'll show how it is. So this is door, right? So this is the entrance. It's pretty good. It's supposed to be for 6 people, and we have a window on our this side. Right? You see that? The window on that side. One window on this side. Right? Pretty good spacious tent. Not bad. I'm gonna throw all the stuff inside, and then I'll show you when our setup is ready inside. So I'm gonna pump the air for my beds, and we're gonna set up. And once our setup is done, we'll show you again. Okay. So this is a only tent, and it's supposed to be for 6 people. Okay. So I'm preparing bed for night. I'm gonna start pumping air. This is the air pump. This comes with the bed. So this one is pumping air home. So this is it's ready. So we have to put some more air because when you're gonna sleep on it, it's a little bit it's a brand new, so it's getting a little bit stretch. So we'll put some more air after that. Here's my another one. Our setup of the tent is done. This is our portable table, camping chairs. So let's come in. That's how I secure this tent. This is a inside tent. It's pretty easy to install. It's good for one people. Like one guy can install this tent, right? So I secure with the stakes, with these ropes, and I also put the stakes as well in the hole. I told you before, I installed the chapuline because it's going to be work as a moisturizing barrier. So come in here. This is a electrical outlet they provided us. So we'll put an extension cable all the way into our tent, right? So let's come in. Yeah, shows the back side. So we have a one small kind of opening here to just cross the air. Come in this side. So the same setup here. Okay. Then one window on this side. So let's get into this side. So pretty much our setup is done. This tent is two-way. You can open the door outside and inside as well. So here you go, guys. Look at that. So this is the yoga mat. You guys need it because the ground is pretty hard, right? So one bed in this side, one window in this side, our sleeping bags. There's a pouch as well. Let me take a look here. So there's a pouch as well, so you can secure your things. Then we put one box, kind of a, we make it as a center table. And this is our lantern light, guys. It's so awesome. So once it's gonna be night, so I'll show you how bright it is. This is also our center table lamp. The other bed is on this side. Look at that, right? Our clothing in this bag, another sleeping bag, another window in this side, another pouch on that side. So we bring in our cable. This is the cable for you guys bring it inside, right? It's very good, very spacious tent for 2 people. Not bad though. So hope you guys love this tent, our camping journey as well. So meet you in a bit.